Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 15 hilarious and totally legit ways to make your first $1,000,000. That's right, we're talking about going from ramen noodle dinners to eating steak with gold flakes on top. I'm talking private jets, solid gold cars, maybe even buying our own island. Okay, maybe not an island, but we can at least afford a pretty sweet pool floaty. Stick around because number 7 will blow your mind. It's so crazy it just might work. First up, let me know in the comments how many of you would actually buy a solid gold car. Like, would it even drive or would it just sink into the pavement asking for a friend? All right, let's jump right into these money-making methods. Get ready to take some notes because today, we're turning you into millionaires. All right, first up on our list of how to make $1,000,000 is starting a YouTube channel. I know, you're thinking, Mr. Beast? Isn't that a little on the nose? But hear me out. You don't need millions of subscribers and billions of views to make bank on YouTube. You just gotta find your niche, create awesome content, and be more entertaining than a squirrel on a sugar rush. Think about it. Makeup tutorials, gaming walkthroughs, even reviewing rubber chickens. The possibilities are endless. Imagine this. You're making videos about something you're passionate about, and suddenly, bam! Brand deals, sponsorships, and more merch than you can shake a stick at. You'll be rolling in YouTube money, swimming in a pool of ad revenue. So grab your camera, unleash your inner creative genius, and get ready to conquer the YouTube algorithm. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next Mr. Beast. Just kidding. Or am I? Next up on our millionaire journey, we're diving into the wild world of cryptocurrency. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so this isn't financial advice, but some people have made serious bank with crypto. It's like riding a roller coaster. A really fast roller coaster with lots of loops and drops. 1 minute you're up, the next you're down. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? Just imagine checking your phone one morning, and bam! Your favorite cryptocurrency has skyrocketed and you're suddenly swimming in digital dough. I actually knew a guy who invested all his money in something called Dogecoin because he thought it was a joke. Turns out it wasn't a joke and he ended up buying a real-life Doge. You know, one of those adorable Shiba Inu dogs. True story. But seriously, do your research, invest responsibly, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be laughing all the way to the digital bank. Just don't come crying to me if you accidentally buy a knockoff Bitcoin. It happens to the best of us. All right, guys, listen up. What if I told you that you could dance your way to $1,000,000? Yeah, you heard me right. TikTok is where it's at, and viral dances are like gold mines. Forget about working a 9 to 5. Just come up with some crazy moves, slap on a catchy tune, and boom, you're the next Charli D'Amelio. I'm talking about a dance so ridiculous, so outlandish, that people can't help but share it. Picture this, you're doing the worm, but with a chicken on your head. Then you jump up, spin around 3 times, and dab while balancing a pineapple on your nose. I know, pure genius, right? Don't worry about looking silly, that's the point. The more outrageous, the better. Just imagine millions of people around the world trying to recreate your moves. Brands will be throwing money at you for sponsorships, you'll be invited to all the coolest parties, and you might even get your own dance show on TV. Okay, maybe not, but hey, $1,000,000 is $1,000,000. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, unleash your inner dance machine, and conquer TikTok. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, you'll even inspire a new dance craze. Just remember to thank me when you're rolling in dough. Ever played Monopoly and just dominated the real estate game? Well, flipping houses is like Monopoly on steroids. It's the ultimate get-rich-quick scheme. You find a rundown shack, sprinkle some magic renovation dust on it, and bam, you're selling it for a small fortune. We're talking about taking a place that looks like it's haunted and turning it into a dream home. You know, the kind of place you see on those home makeover shows where everything is shiny and new, and they make it look so easy. And the best part? You get to be the boss. No more answering to the man, you call the shots. Imagine this. You walk into a house that looks like it hasn't been touched since the dinosaurs roamed the earth. Cobwebs everywhere, walls falling apart. Maybe even a family of raccoons living in the attic. But you, my friend, you see potential. You see dollar signs, a fresh coat of paint here, some new appliances there, maybe even a fancy jacuzzi in the backyard. And boom, you've got yourself a gold mine. You'll be swimming in cash, driving a fancy car, and living the high life. Just don't forget about your old pal Mr. Beast when you're sipping margaritas on your private island, okay? Alright guys, have you ever had a brilliant idea for a book? You know, the kind of story that keeps you up at night because it's just that good? Well, guess what? That idea could be your ticket to $1,000,000. That's right, becoming a best-selling author isn't just for, like, Shakespeare and J.K. Rowling. I'm talking about crafting a story so captivating, so mind-blowingly awesome, that people won't be able to put it down. It could be a mystery, a thriller, a romance, or even a cookbook. The possibilities are endless. Just imagine Oprah calling your book her new favorite read. Or better yet, imagine me, Mr. Beast, recommending it to my millions of subscribers. Now, I'll be honest, writing a book isn't exactly like winning the lottery. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of imagination. But trust me, the payoff is worth it. Just ask my buddy Chandler, who once wrote a 5-page story about a talking squirrel that went viral and made him a fortune. Okay, maybe not a fortune, but he did get free pizza for a month. So, grab your laptop, find your inspiration, and start typing away. You never know, your book could be the next big thing. And hey, if a talking squirrel can make it big, so can you. Just remember to give me a shout out in the acknowledgements when you become a literary superstar. Alright guys, ever heard of dropshipping? It's like being a magician, but instead of pulling rabbits out of hats, you're pulling profits out of thin air. You set up an online store, find a product people want, like a solar-powered hat that charges your phone, or maybe a self-folding pizza slicer, and let someone else handle the inventory and shipping. You never even have to touch the product. It's like selling the idea of the product, and you can sell anything. Unicorn slippers, glow-in-the-dark toilet paper, you name it. Fun fact, more toilet paper is sold online than in stores. Crazy, right? Imagine making $1 million selling toilet paper, all from your couch. This is the beauty of dropshipping. It's like having $1 million business without the overhead. You don't need a warehouse or employees, just a laptop and a dream. And a good internet connection. And maybe a comfy couch because you'll be spending a lot of time on it. But hey, at least you'll be making it rain, right? Dropshipping is the ultimate side hustle. You can do it from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. You could be chilling on a beach in Bali, sipping on a coconut, and raking in those sweet, sweet dropshipping dollars. Alright guys, ever been brushing your teeth and thought, man, I wish this toothbrush could also make me breakfast? No? Just me? Okay, well that's the kind of thinking that makes millionaires. Inventing a quirky gadget is like striking gold, but instead of gold, it's a self-stirring soup bowl or a robotic dog walker. We're talking about those, why didn't I think of that? Inventions, the kind of stuff that makes you slap your forehead and go, that's genius. And the best part is, it doesn't even have to be practical. Remember the pet rock? That thing was literally just a rock, and people went nuts for it. So what's stopping you from inventing the next big thing? Maybe it's a hat that catches your tears when you're watching a sad movie, or a self-folding laundry basket. The possibilities are endless. Just imagine, you could be sitting on a pile of cash, all because you thought of a way to make a fork that plays your favorite song. That's the American dream right there, folks. Inventing a quirky gadget is like winning the lottery, but instead of random numbers, it's your own ingenuity that makes you rich. So put on your thinking caps, people, and get inventing. Who knows, your next crazy idea could be the next $1 million product. Want to know the secret to becoming a millionaire today? It's not about working hard, it's about posting hard. Becoming a social media influencer. Everyone and their grandma is trying to be the next big Instagram star or TikTok sensation. Post a picture of your lunch and boom! Brand deals, sponsorships, free trips to Dubai, it's insane. You could make more money than a brain surgeon, all from posting cat pictures. And who doesn't love a cat video? It takes time, dedication, and a lot of selfies. But once you crack the code, it's like printing money. You're a walking, talking billboard, promoting the latest trends. So put on your best outfit, strike a pose, and take the social media world by storm. Alright, you guys know I love giving away money, but have you heard about NFTs? People are selling digital art, like JPEGs, for millions. I'm talking about pictures of rocks, apes, you name it, going for more than a Lamborghini. It's wild, right? It's like selling a screenshot of your desktop background for $1 million. But hey, if people are buying, why not give it a shot? You could be the next digital art superstar. Imagine your doodles could be the next big thing in the metaverse. I'm thinking about selling a picture of Chandler after he eats a whole jar of pickles. You know, the face he makes? That's gotta be worth at least a couple of Bitcoins, right? What do you guys think? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments below. Listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you. Want to make $1 million? Start an online course. It's like printing money, but instead of ink, you're using your brain. Think about it, everyone's an expert at something, right? You could teach people how to make the perfect grilled cheese, how to beat the highest level on Candy Crush, or even how to grow a killer mustache like mine. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? Once you create the course, it's there forever, making you money while you sleep. It's like having a money tree, but instead of leaves, it grows dollar bills. I'm telling you, this is the golden ticket to early retirement. Ever talked to yourself in the shower and thought, man, I should record this, people need to hear this? Well, guess what? You can. Start a podcast. It's like having your own radio show, but instead of playing music, you're dropping truth bombs and hilarious anecdotes. You can talk about anything. Video games, sports, the latest memes, you name it. People love listening to podcasts while they work out, or even while they're just chilling on the couch. It's like having a conversation with your friends, but you get to be the center of attention. And who knows? Maybe you'll become the next Joe Rogan, interviewing celebrities and having your mind blown on a weekly basis. Or maybe you'll just get a free trip to a podcasting convention. Either way, it's a win-win. Challenge: start your own podcast and send me the link. I'll pick one lucky listener to be a guest on my channel. All right, idea number 12, and this one is pure genius: subscription boxes. People are crazy about these things. It's like Christmas every month, except they pay you for it. We're talking everything from unicorn makeup brushes to beef jerky for your pet iguana. Trust me, there's a market for everything. I once sold 1,000 boxes of air from my last video shoot, no joke. Okay, listen up, because this next idea could be your golden ticket mobile apps. Remember Flappy Bird? That simple little game made millions. Millions! All you gotta do is come up with the next addictive app, something that'll have people hooked. Maybe an app that lets you virtually high-five a giraffe, or one that translates your dog's barks into Shakespearean insults. The possibilities are endless. All right, idea number 14 is gonna blow your minds. You know how everyone's always talking about passive income? Well, get ready to become a real estate mogul. On Airbnb? That's right, we're talking about renting out properties. But hold up, I know what you're thinking. Mr. Beast, I don't have a castle to rent out. And you know what? That's totally fine. You can start small, like really small. Think renting out a spare room, your backyard for camping, heck, even a luxury cardboard box. I'm serious. People are renting out the craziest things these days. Just imagine the listing authentic cardboard box experience. Prime location, walking distance to dumpster. Boom! You could be raking in the dough while you sleep. Just picture it. You wake up, check your phone, and bam! Another $1,000 from your cardboard empire. Okay, maybe not 1,000, but you get the idea. It's all about that hustle, baby. Okay, last but not least, idea number 15 is gonna make your taste buds tingle. Get ready to fire up the grill and hit the streets, because we're talking food trucks, baby. Yeah, that's right, your very own restaurant on wheels. Now here's the twist. Forget boring old burgers and fries. We gotta stand out from the crowd, people. We need something unique, something outrageous, something covered in flamin' hot Cheetos. Imagine this. The Mr. Beast Cheeto Challenge food truck. We'll have Cheeto-crusted burgers, Cheeto-dusted fries, even Cheeto-infused milkshakes. People will be lining up for miles just to try our crazy creations. And you know me, we gotta give back. For every Cheeto challenge completed, we donate a meal to someone in need. See? We're changing the world, one spicy bite at a time. Plus, think of all the free Cheeto dust you'll get to snack on. It's a win-win situation. And there you have it, folks. 15 ridiculous, outrageous, and maybe even slightly possible ways to make $1 million. Who knew becoming a millionaire could be so much fun? I mean, cardboard box empires, Cheeto-fied food trucks. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these crazy ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. And hey, if you actually try any of these out, let me know in the comments. You never know, you might just become the next millionaire success story. And remember, the first million is always the hardest. But hey, at least you'll have a lifetime supply of Cheeto dust, right? All right, I'm out of here. Peace.